Welcome to Traveler's Lens, your gateway to global adventures and insights. Our expert team offers immersive travel experiences, tips, and inspiration. From budget to luxury, we've got it all. Subscribe and never miss our latest escapades as we explore, chase sunsets, and see the world through the traveler's lens. Welcome to Panama City Beach, Florida, where emerald waters meet sugar white sands, creating a coastal paradise. Panama City Beach offers a blend of adventure and relaxation, perfect for water sports, seafood, and sunshine enthusiasts. However, if bad weather rains on your beachcation, don't let it put a damper on your vacation spirits. Panama City Beach has a wealth of fantastic indoor options waiting to be explored, ensuring that your getaway remains as enjoyable as ever. In Panama City Beach, when the skies are overcast, the fun doesn't have to end. You can embark on a journey of discovery at captivating indoor attractions that promise entertainment, education, and adventure. Here are enticing alternatives to beachside activities when the weather takes an unexpected turn. Number 1. Wonderworks Panama City Beach. Experience education and amusement at Wonderworks, an indoor amusement park with more than 100 interactive science exhibits, challenging rope courses, and more. Explore themed wonder zones, ride a gyroscope in the space zone, and see your shadow transform in the light and sound zone. Conquer the physical challenge zone and enjoy glow-in-the-dark rope courses, laser tag, or the Space Fury 360 degrees ride. Number 2. Pier Park. When the weather permits, Pier Park beckons with a cornucopia of dining, shopping, and entertainment options. However, if rain is pouring down, escape the Grand Theater 16 for a snug and enjoyable indoor movie experience. Number 3. Gulf World Marine Park. Rain or shine, discover marine life at Gulf World Marine Park. Enjoy captivating animal shows featuring sea lions, dolphins, reptiles, birds, and more. Contribute to wildlife conservation while having fun. Number 4. Ripley's Believe It or Not. For an eccentric experience, tour Ripley's Believe It or Not. Explore astonishing exhibits, including a matchstick oil platform replica and shrunken heads. Step inside the auditorium, try the 7D moving theater, and see unconventional portraits for pop culture icons. Number 5. Panama City Beach Winery. Sip wine at Panama City Beach Winery while it rains outside. Enjoy a complimentary tasting and savor varietals with the notes of kiwi, guava, orange, and more. Dublin Winery, opening in June 2023, offers a unique tasting experience. Number 6. Rocket Lanes. When rainy days roll in, Rocket Lanes is your go-to destination for indoor entertainment. This expansive 50,000 square foot center offers a thrilling trifecta of activities featuring glow-in-the-dark bowling lanes, an extensive arcade, and an inviting roller skating rink. Number 7. Royal Escape Rooms. Challenge your team at Royal Escape Rooms for a thrilling and immersive experience. Solve puzzles, unravel mysteries, and test your creativity. Various themes are available. Number 8. Man in the Sea Museum. Immerse yourself in the history of underwater exploration at the Man in the Sea Museum. Journey through captivating exhibits, artifacts, and gripping tales that unveil the evolution of diving technology and the daring explorers who venture into the depths. Number 9. Race City Put and Glow Blacklight Mini Golf. Discover a neon-lit world of fun and challenge at Race City's Put and Glow Blacklight Mini Golf in Panama City Beach. Glow-in-the-dark mini golf with imaginative themes and obstacles, perfect for all ages. Rain or shine, it's a unique indoor activity for your family. Number 10. XD Dark Ride Experience Pier Park. Enjoy an immersive adventure combining movies, thrill rides, and gaming at XD Dark Ride Experience. Choose from different movie experiences and use laser guns for interactive fun. Number 11. Emerald Coast Mirror Maze. Experience 4 exciting activities under one roof at Emerald Coast Mirror Maze. Navigate the maze, tackle laser challenges, play Pirate Quest laser tag, and try Bazooka Ball. Compete or cooperate with friends in these thrilling games. While rain may dampen your beach plans, Panama City Beach offers a variety of indoor activities to keep your vacation enjoyable. Whether you're seeking educational adventures, thrilling experiences, or relaxing pastimes, you'll find plenty to do indoors that will leave you with lasting memories. So don't let the weather get you down. Embrace the indoor options and make the most of your time in this coastal paradise, where fun knows no boundaries, rain or shine.